It's July 15th, 2011, and it's about 7:30, and it's almost high tide. And I guess the city's marked down your caution trail may be flood due to high river flow. So there is flooding in Burnaby right now, and we're going to go check it out. It's a popular trail we're walking along. It's kind of runs along the Fraser River here, and the water level is passed onto the trail, and it's actually, I can watch the water move. It's coming up quite fast.
Well, we didn't go all the way back.
My son Alex coming through a flooded trail by the Fraser River.